All right, y'all. So here's a workaround um, for if you can only record one tab on your window at a time. Um, what you're going to do is go to essentially what you're going to record is the page that where you're going to type up your manual citation. But before you start typing it up, go ahead and take a screenshot of the top of our source that we're citing. And, in this source, Better Living Through Algorithms, everything that we need for our citation can be found from up here by the URL and basically, until the author's name, but I'm just going to grab up until the first couple of sentences of the reading. So take a screenshot and place it into your document that you're going to type your citation in. And then also grab the template that you're going to work with in order to build your citation. And you can either take a screenshot or you can copy and paste the template. If you copy and paste, I would just grab all the notes so that you really don't have to jump around too much. But I'm going to take a screenshot because I don't want to get the wrong information. Okay, so if you can only record one tab and your screen recording won't show you like jumping around, grab this, because what I do want to see is I want to see you jumping around, but we can be creative and we can scroll up and down and that can still be our jumping around. So here then you'd have the information you needed and you'd still be able to show all that information in one document, and you would be able to bypass that difficulty of multiple tabs if your computer or whatever blocks you have won't let you jump from tab to tab. So hopefully this is helpful. If you still run into technical difficulties, let me know. I will keep brainstorming ways around them. We will thwart and bypass all of the silly controls that people place on each other for things like this. So we'll figure it out.